Hi, this is Sue Shields. I'm here with another beautiful home here in Colony Cove in Ellington, Florida. This is 200 Denmark. This is a 2005 Fleetwood. It's being offered at $94,995. We are in a closed Lanai, which is just under 200 square feet. It is under air. On the back side of it, you'll find a laundry room and storage area. This house features all paneled doors, leaded glass doors. It is absolutely gorgeous. Lots of storage. Got a stackable washer and dryer. As we enter through the double doors into the main part of the house, you have a very large combination dining kitchen area. How many people could you put in here helping to cook? This thing is huge. Nice big island, microwave built into the wall, big pantry, oak cabinets, vaulted ceilings, this is a combination either den or fourth bedroom. It does have a closet, double doors. As we step out into the hallway, your first guest bathroom is to your left. Very, very nice. Tub and shower stall. Got a little desk area out here. In addition to the living room, you have this great family room off the back with a propane fireplace. He has this wired with Magnavox speakers. This picture actually is on an opening for a television set, if you'd like to put your TV inside there. On the back side, you'll find a bar area, wet bar. Great place for entertaining. Again, the fireplace, which is propane. Back into the hallway and to your left, this is your desk area, is your guest bedroom number 1. This is a full bed in here, but as you can see, it's large enough for a queen size bed and still plenty of room left over. Back into the hall, you'll step into the next guest bathroom, or bedroom, I'm sorry. More storage out here in the hallway. Again, this room was used as an office, but it's large enough to be able to accommodate a queen bed. Back down the hall, we step into the main living area. As you can see, it's pretty open to the kitchen and dining. Very large. As we head back, we will go into the master bedroom. This is a 2005, so it is what they call a Zone 3 rated home, which means it can stand up to a hurricane category 3. The windows are all wind load of 135 miles per hour. Here we are in the master, large enough for a king bed if you'd like, with a door out to a screened-in lanai. And wait till you see this master bathroom. Double sinks, jetted tub, walk-in shower, extra walk-in closet on the back side. Huge closet space in addition to that walk-in. Out here you have a beautiful screen-in lanai. Trex decking. Now you will see a fenced-in area back here, but that is going to come down. The park does not allow fences. That wraps up our tour of 200 Denmark. I'm Sue Shields. My number is 941-981-3424. Thanks.